You can't really judge a man's character when he has nothing. Wait till he has everything. As a human being, no, nga naka-experience na o ganang murag nakuha na nako tanan akong need mo, nga naman ko eh. Nga nakuha na ako tanang need na ko as a person who has dreams. Nakuha na ako ang taste of the money and the, you know, the rich life, the achieving your dreams thing. I basically had everything. And what I realized, I didn't really want that. I just wanted to have the people that I love all around me. Cheesy kayo ko. I feel like, yeah, cheesy kayo. But I do think nga kanang grabe kay kong change when I had everything. I realized nga dili ko materialistic. I'm more on like I feel guilty nga I have all these things. And I feel like sobra. So I usually give out. Nagpakumot mo ko eh. Pero wala na ko masteryaron kaya I made 3 videos karong adlaw. And I'm so drained, I'm so tired. Nakita kong lawas. Dili ka. Annoying lagi ko. Yep, I'm a little annoying. We're busy na ako later, but I think right now I have to go to the gym. Wow, wala ko yung wala ko yung masulti. And it feels so wrong to be boring and to not say anything. But this is a boring day and I'm burnt. Happy ako burnt out, so mag-stop na ako video. Kasi gira ko video lang daw. And I'm just tired. Dagan ba kong buhato na yung hapon? Okay. Yeah, I know, this is... Yeah, I know. Bye. Yeah, bye.